Welcome to this astronomy video featuring the famous coat hanger asterism photographed with the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. Also known as Collinder 399, this striking pattern of stars appears in the rich background of the Milky Way and has become a favorite target for amateur astronomers using binoculars and small telescopes. In this video, we will explore what the coat hanger is, where it is located, and why it is one of the sky's most recognizable stellar patterns. The images shown in this video were captured with the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. This compact, computerized telescope combines automated tracking with digital image technology, allowing amateur astronomers to photograph celestial objects with a relatively simple setup. Small smart telescopes like this are helping make astrophotography more accessible to beginners and casual observers. This image was taken using the wide field camera of the Dwarf 3. Near the center of the field is the coat hanger asterism, surrounded by dense star fields of the Milky Way galaxy. The asterism is located in the constellation Vulpecula, near the border with Sagitta. Two nearby bright stars, Answer and 1 Vulpecula, help identify the region. The rich combination of stars in this image come from our line of sight looking into the plane of the Milky Way. The coat hanger gets its name because the stars form a pattern resembling a traditional wire coat hanger suspended upside down in the sky. Unlike official constellations, an asterism is simply a recognized pattern of stars seen from Earth. Many famous star patterns, including the Big Dipper and the Summer Triangle, are also considered asterisms. Objects like the coat hanger are popular because they are easy to recognize and enjoyable to observe even with simple optical equipment. The coat hanger has been known for centuries. It was first recorded by the Persian astronomer Al-Sufi in his famous book, The Fixed Stars, written around the year 964. During the 17th century, it was independently rediscovered by the Italian astronomer Hudernyi. In the early 20th century, amateur astronomer Dalmaro Francis Brocchi used the distinctive star pattern while creating charts for the American Association of Variable Star Observers, or AAVSO. Because of his work, the object was sometimes called Brocchi Cluster. Late in 1931, Swedish astronomer Collinder included the object in his catalog of open clusters under the designation Collinder 399. Today, astronomers understand that the coat hanger is not a true star cluster. The stars only appear close together from our viewpoint on Earth and are actually located at very different distances in space. This makes the coat hanger an example of an asterism rather than a genuine gravitationally bound star cluster. In this image, the stars 4 Vulpecula and 5 Vulpecula are identified. Notice the color contrast between those two stars. The reddish appearance of 4 Vulpecula indicates a cooler surface temperature, while the bluish color of 5 Vulpecula suggests a much hotter star. Although these stars appear close in the sky, they are actually located vastly different distances from Earth. Also visible in the same field of view is the small open cluster NGC 6802. This cluster is not physically associated with the coat hanger asterism. It simply lies along the same line of sight from our viewpoint of Earth. Unlike the coat hanger, which is only a chance alignment of stars, NG 6802 is truly a gravitationally bound open cluster whose stars form together from the same cloud of gas and dust. Thank you for watching this astronomy video featuring the coat hanger asterism photographed with the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. Objects like Collinder 399 remind us that even simple patterns of stars can inspire curiosity and wonder about the night sky. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and joining me for future astronomy observations and astrophotography tutorials.